Big Crazy John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. We are at Cliff Cave Park again. Gonna do some of the dirt trails with my mountain bike here. Gonna, just do some of these upper trails, and I'll show you on the close-up of the map here in a moment. But today is Sunday, October 20th, and got up early to do some time lapse of the sunrise, which was non-existent. So hopefully to make up for it here with the bike ride. So stay tuned. We're here, and I just rode down here, did this outer loop. This is the upper section, I would say, close to Telegraph. So I made a left here, did all this outer loop, and then I believe I crossed down here. I crossed a trail right here, did the outer loop, went over here, you could see the road, and then I kept on the outer loop all the way back to, basically made a big circle here. So got back to that point. Pretty good ride. So check out the TimeWarp. Remember, always wear a bike helmet, even if you look dorky like I do right now. And remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.